Hello, Carl with frugalberry.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to strip some copper wire to harvest the copper. And I've been doing some searching on the internet and hadn't found anything to do this simply. So I actually designed something nice and simple and put it up on Thingiverse. So it is there if you want to use it. Under Frugalberry, the Frugalberry is my Thingiverse user, and all I'm going to do is stick this in the hole in the back here, and this is a safety blade. I'm going to stick this in there and push down a little bit, and while I'm putting pressure on here, I'm just going to pull this wire on through. Nice and simple. Get the kinks out of the wire. And I'll be pulling the wire off of the, if I can get it through there. Of course, now it's having some trouble. So we'll cut this off for now. And pull this wire. Okay, that was just the outer sheathing. But then here we go. There's the copper. We'll just strip the copper out. And you know what? I think I need to get the hole size just right on this tool. Maybe I don't have it perfected quite yet, but it's still better than some of the other methods out there right now. If you've got a better idea, a better method, a better tool design, please put it together and put it on Thingiverse so that we can all have access to it. And there's that. That's off, and now it's just a matter of, well, you can do whatever you want with the copper now, but I like to coil it up into a little ball. And get it ready to melt down. Now I do melt down this copper myself. I have a furnace that I use for foundry work. So there is the copper. Have a great day.